Brian from briandimambro.com. This beautiful 2-volume set is Excursions in the Mediterranean, Algiers and Tunis by Major Temple, 1835 London. This beautiful lithographed and hand-colored frontis with heightened with gum Arabic to give it a nice sheen is splendid. It says right down here it's done on stone by El Haga, printed in London. This 2-volume set is very well preserved. It's clean and tight. This folding map at the front is also lithographed, and there is another folding map right here, which is as well lithographed. This is a plan of Carthage in 1832. The spines are raised bands, ornately gilt stamped compartments, contrasting leather title label, marbled boards, a running stamp to the leather, and here we have another lithographed frontis with tissue guard, and yes, there's a vocabulary of Arabic words apparently. And this 2-volume set is currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.